Okay, guys. Um, I hope I hope this will work. Oh, my freaking leg. Anyway, I just want to make a little video to show how I do something here. I just remove some pins. Let's see if I like this from this board. You can see I cut them with the. Let's see if I can look at the phone. I cut them with the to separate them. But they were here like this, and I cut them. I cut between them to separate them. But now we got another problem. We have still glue here. Sorry, solder here. Don't know if the phone can get this. Well, yeah. Okay, now to take this solder away. Oh, by the way, there are the pins here. They were cut. I'm gonna dispose them because I want to solder some other pins. Anyway, one of them was broken. So what I'm gonna do, there's a technique that I think other people are doing it as well. I'm sure I'm not the only one finding this out. So, but we could use the solder sucker or the solder wick, but to me it doesn't really work. I don't know why. So what I do, I already put some solder on the holes here, on the little vias here, on the pins. Now I'm gonna put some more flux on them, just a little bit. Flux is our best friend. And I'm gonna use a soldering iron to remove the solder from here. Oh, by the way, this is a DIY soldering iron that I built. It's cool. Temperature setting, it goes in auto, turns off automatically after a few minutes. You can be all set here. Temperature quite accurate actually. And I'm gonna put some solder on the thing, on the tip. Normally I would do this with the other hand, but I don't know if you can see. I was operated to my hand. There's a little scar there, and I cannot do big movements with it. So I have to use my soldering iron on my other hand. It's like this. You just heat up the solder and then give it a good whack on the table. Only with your hand, not the board, of course. So let's see if just let me down. Like this. Like this. Don't leave the soldering iron too long on the thing because you don't want to damage the traces, né? You don't want to take the vias away. And be careful not to touch anything else. It's like this. Just give it a little whack on the table. It's like this. Quite dry one. It's like this. I don't know if you can see, but some are already free down there. See? Let's do the rest. This forces the solder down to the table. Seeing there are two of them here, I'll have to add a little bit more solder. Sometimes if it doesn't work immediately, just add some solder. Ouch! Just burned myself again. It's not the hand. I'm not using the hand I should use on my soldering iron. Okay. So it looks like it's more or less free. So I'm going to show you now. Let me put the soldering iron down. And here are the bottom holes. You can see they are all free. I turn around. I just have to clean it now. Let me clean it. Let me take the solders. All the solder are here now. Is all these tiny bits of solder fell on the table. You can see here. Can take it out. Give it a good cleaning. I pour some alcohol in my old toothbrush and just clean it away. On both sides. Oh, there's actually one view that is a bit damaged here. I wonder why. A little bit, not much. Yeah, it will work. Maybe I make too much force when I cut the thing. But anyway, this is how I do it. There's one here that might still need a bit of solder and do it again, but there you go. The idea is here. See? Well, I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.